Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risma Nabila, student ID number 70. Here, I will explain a little about the theme of the quiz lecture that was explained yesterday. The first theme is Challenge in Business Startup for Newbie, and the second is Tips for Success in Becoming a Millennial Farmers in a Pandemic Era. Next, I will take expert activities in discussing these tasks. First, quiz lecture theme. Theme is Challenge in Business Startup for Newbie. Presenter is Renata Larissa Putri, SP. Second quiz lecture theme. Theme is Tips for Success in Becoming a Millennial Farmer in a Pandemic Era. Presenter Saprae SAGR. Break talks and strategies for oil palm export activities based on a strong entrepreneurial spirit. Export activity is the process of transporting certain goods or commodities from one country to another. This activity is often used by small and medium-scale business owners as the main strategy to compete internationally. Meanwhile, palm oil is one of the plantation commodities that plays an important role in Indonesia's economic activities. This is because of its potential to be able to produce vegetable oil, which is needed in the industrial sector. The strategy of running a business. There are strategies that can be applied is running a business so that the business can last a long time and be able to compete with similar business that have developed a lot. Here are some strategies that can be done. First, trigger the intention to do a business so that the business runs smoothly. Second, analyze extends market activities. Third, build finance or capital to be used. Fourth, build good relationships between customers before exporting to foreign countries. Make sure we are on good terms with customers who are in the country. Fifth, dare to be different from other products of competition. Last, looking for partners who have the same vision and mission and have the same goals to develop the business. Tips to be a successful entrepreneur. There are several tips that must be applied before or are running a business, including first, determine two types of business. Second, creative thinking. Third, make a goal. Fourth, find out the level of competition. Fifth, determine and consider the business location. Sixth, conduct customer surveys. 7, prepare capital. Last, choose a reliable supplier. Along with the teams, many have used social media and understand how to use it. With the existence of social media, business or business activities can be easily carried out. As for the function of social media for a business, namely, first, can build communication between buyers remotely. Second, can easily share activities and information via social media. Last, can facilitate buying and selling transactions online remotely. Commodity selected for export is palm oil. Palm oil is a leading commodity and the prima donna of the Indonesian state. Palm oil is one of the plantation commodities that play an important role in Indonesia's economic activities. This is because of its potential to be able to produce vegetable oil, which is needed in the industrial sectors. Indonesia contributes 35 million tons of the world's palm supply of 64 million tons. Indonesia controls palm oil export activities because of its abundant commodity. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.